guys, so new day, new task. Actually it's still the same task because we want to finish with the tank. You see it's quite a massive chaos in here. It's because we have to open this storage here to be able to connect that hose that comes from the freshwater tank to this pipe, which then leads to this blue hose here in the bathroom. This then brings the fresh water all the way through to this pipe here, which I attached. And then the dirt water from the sink goes through that hose and into the grey water tank, which Robert sealed again yesterday. Now this sounds super simple, but of course isn't in the end. Because of course this hose is too large on the top and too small down here, so I had to find our heat gun and expand the hose with heat. And now my next task is to make the angle better here, because it's too steep. Well, it's just not matching well with the other part. So I tried to get this in a better shape. That's what I have to sew for. Okay, I guess that's as good as it gets. It's not perfect, definitely not. But if I take more off, then the hose is too short. Psst, don't say, Robert, that I cut the hose too short. Which is, but it is what it is now. Okay, I'm not sure. I'll try to screw it on with that one, and then we'll see. Okay, now I guess I have everything fixed. I at least hope so. And now I'm gonna turn on the water and hope that it's not leaking. Let's see. Okay, so here we are. It's a big moment. Haven't turned on that water for, I don't know, since we were out actually, or even before, because it was not running through. So let's see. Yes, there is for sure water running. Let's see. Yes. Okay, it's also running in here. You probably don't see. And down here, fuck. Okay, it's leaking here. Aye. Okay, sad, but okay. So I have to work on that again. So the solution was to just give that, I still don't know how it's called, this thing here, some more turns, and well, after quite some time now it should be tight and not leaking anymore. Then I screwed all those, I don't know, 50 screws back on to the lid, and the last thing I'm doing today is mounting this bar, and afterwards I put in the floor, and then we have the floor on again, which is super nice. It feels like putting stuff together and not taking apart always. So that's really cool. So have a look. That's the floor. And okay, you can't see, But it is clean again, and there is water running. It doesn't look like much, but it's a super big step for us because it's working again. We fixed it. One project done. Now let's see if we catch the sundown, and then that's it for today. Ciao.